Well, we made a whole bunch of fuss about quails around here. We're finally got it all together. I thought you'd like to take a tour and see what the whole system looks like. Be right back.
This video covers Quail Setup Tour, Quail Setup Part 5 of 5.
Well, welcome back. Finally got the quail pen done, got the brooder done, got the hutches built, got the processing station all set up. Man, we are ready to start raising quail, and we couldn't be happier, could we, baby? We're looking forward to it. So I thought you might want to just take a tour of the whole setup, because you've seen it in little fragments and pieces, each along the way. But here it is from start to finish, and we're ready to put the quail in. So follow me. We'll start with the brooder and work our way around. Well, welcome to the quail brooder. We're so tickled we can't understand it. But this is our Hoverbator incubator, egg incubator, and we've got it set up. It's ready to go. I got quail rails inside of it because I wanted to do a lot of quail eggs. This will hold 120 quail eggs. So we got that ready to go. It came with, I got a humidifier kit to go with it as well, so I can control the humidity. So I thought that would be an important feature to have. So we've got that. You saw us building got the table and everything all set up with the stock tank for the brooder. So once they hatch out of this little incubator, they come over to the brooder, and y'all have already seen this. Inside, it's all ready to go. I got, the pine shavings in. I got the heat lamp. So they're ready to go. We're looking forward to getting them in there. Now, once they get out of the brooder and they're feathered up and they're ready to go out to the quail hutches, we put them in our little transfer cage, put them inside there, and we'll take them right out here in the barn over to the quail pen. So let's take a walk over there. Well, y'all remember when we built these hutches out in the shop, you just never saw it installed in the quail pen, so I thought you might want to see how they look now. But this is them. We got them in. I built some decking on the bottom floor, so I got a foundation for the hutches to sit on, and also built a deck out in front of the hutches, so you have a standing area to work on the hutches, and this gives them that the height they needed, so they can have access to that open air window. It gives them plenty of fresh air and sunshine, and flow through ventilation. So in order to do that, I had to raise the hutches up pretty high, and to do that caused me to have to put in a foundation and a small deck in here. But it was well worth the effort, because I think the birds will be much healthier and happier having a window and cross breeze and plenty of fresh air. But anyway, we got the hutches in. We're pretty excited about it. The inside of the wired in area, we've got the manifold in like we were talking about earlier, and I got a little, a feeder out here. And this wired in area is, open to the outside out there. And then you got underneath the wired in area, I put in y'all remember me building these. This is the little catch pan, the drip pan that I put underneath the wired in area, and I put this metal pan inside of that drip pan, and then I covered it with this crushed walnut, which keeps the smell down, and it also clumps up any wetness and moisture, and it makes it easier to clean, and keeps everything easy to maintain. Over here's the closed-in area. Y'all remember this from when we did this over at the shop. I've installed a light bulb inside, which gives them plenty of heat in the wintertime, and also provides light in here for whenever they are laying. And I got the pine shavings inside, and I used an old 1020 tray, planting tray, seed tray to make as my dust bathing pan. I'm gonna get some builder sand and put in there, so they'll be having a place to where they can do what quails like to do most, is play in the sand. So we got both hutches are the same. They're just opposite hand because of the windows. If you'll look right around here, you can see, it's basically the same thing. Yeah. There's the one on this side, and I can feel the wind coming through here. It feels good. And the watering cup manifold, and here's the automatic watering system. Y'all remember that, right? So we got that all set up with the tubing coming down to the manifolds. They're all hooked up. And over here's the other inside area. Same as the other one. Got a light in there as well. So there are going to be some mighty happy birds. I think they're going to enjoy living here. We're going to enjoy having them, that's for sure. Well, once the birds come over here, one of these hutches are going to be used for my breeding stock, where I'm getting eggs, and I can breed and get new eggs to incubate, and also new eggs to eat. So we enjoy both. Now, the birds that I call out of here, I'll cull them out, and I'll put them over here in this other hutch. This other hutch will be the one that I use to, pull out the ones that I need to pull out, and these are going to be saved and raised and harvested for our meat production. So this is going to be all the breeding stock, and this is all the meat stock, and that's kind of why I had the two hutches, is one's for eating and one's for egg production. So once they get through here, and we got eggs going, we got new eggs going in the incubator, we're getting new birds to come out, and we pull them in here, and then we replace some and cull them out over to here. It's kind of a moving operation. The ones that are in here, when it comes time to harvest, we just simply come out of here in the transfer cage, and I'll take them right out of the barn, right around in front of this window down here to our processing station. And y'all remember us building that, I reckon. So let's just walk around there and see what that looks like. Follow me. Well, here's the processing station. Y'all watched us build this on a little building video. We had fun building that together. But this gives me plenty of room to harvest the birds. I have running water out here to as needed. So we'll harvest the birds here. This is our processing station. Nancy suggests that when I'm harvesting the birds that I close the window so the other birds inside don't witness the horrific event. So I said, that's not a bad idea. No sense in scaring them. They may know, I don't know. Maybe they know. So I'll shut that window so they don't see what's going on out here. But we'll harvest them here. We'll get them cleaned off in the water, and we'll put them on ice. We'll take them over to the shop and vacuum seal them and freeze them. And we'll have packs of quail frozen in the freezer that should last us for a long time. We should have a constant flow of quail meat coming through, which was one of our goals, is to help provide meat for ourselves here on our new homestead. So this is basically the circuit for the whole quail system, and we've had a wonderful time putting it together, and we're looking forward to the days ahead when we actually start implementing all that we've been getting ready to do. So it's an exciting time for us. So if you like our channel, as always, please subscribe. Be a part of our homestead family here as we bring this homestead to life from the ground up. And until me and Nancy and Bing Bing see you next time, always remember, By his hands we are fed. Give us, Lord, our daily bread. Amen.
Have a blessed day.
Thank you for watching our videos. We love making them. If you like our videos, we ask you to partner with us in our mission by sharing our videos from YouTube and post from Facebook to all social medias. It really inspires and encourages us. Some great places to share is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Please like if you like this video, subscribe, click the notification button so you never miss another video. Click below for products we used in the videos, and you could also partner with us without spending a penny. We welcome your encouraging comments, prayers, and questions. And thank you for watching and sharing our videos and posts. Have a blessed day.